All right, Phoenix 1.8 release candidate 0 came out this morning, so I grabbed it, generated a new app, and I'm taking a first look. The first thing that leapt out in my eyes is the dark mode. Phoenix 1.8 is using DaisyUI, which is built on top of Tailwind CSS, so it doesn't require any big changes to how you did things before. You can still keep on adding components to your core components or whatever place you put your components. However, you do get some more out of the box than you did before. The ease of switching modes is a major thing. Now, I've altered this layout or this homepage a tiny bit. I've just set the guides and docs to use primary color on hover and the source code to use secondary color on hover, so you can see the difference in these modes. So when I go to the dark mode, it's the same color for primary and secondary. The light mode, you can see I've got different colors on the hover. There's a default mode. This just uses whatever your OS is set to, or your browser if that overrides the OS setting. Then I've added a few more modes from DaisyUI. DaisyUI has quite a few modes that come with it but are custom. In order to enable those, you just have to add the name of the mode to your plugin line in your main CSS file for Daisy. So this one is called Forest, and I added an acid mode. There's also cyberpunk mode, an emerald mode, and then I created my own mode, which just took adding about 20 lines of CSS to the main CSS file, and almost all of those were literally just the color template. So give it a name and then a bunch of colors, and you're set. Other than this change, there's also a new scopes concept in the Phoenix auth generators, which I'm not going to get into in this video, but all in all, I think this is the easiest upgrade I have ever seen since starting with Phoenix 1.2. This one was really painless.